Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to write the best title for a YouTube video. This is a YouTube video without a title and how I do it myself. It's simple. Just open the video just like that, and I click on this little icon and a new ChatGPT window opens up. As you can see, now ChatGPT writes me multiple YouTube video title ideas, and just like that I got 10 video title ideas. How to do this yourself? It's simple. Just install this tool. It's called YouTube Summary with ChatGPT and Claude. It's a Google Chrome extension. Install it like that. It's simple to install. Now let's locate this Chrome extension. This is it. Now from this setting, scroll down to prompt for summary, delete the default prompt and use this one. Give me. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that I have a YouTube online course that you can get access today for free. Inside this YouTube basics course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with your YouTube channel. For example, how to create your channel, verify it, edit your channel name and banner, create your logo. You will also learn how to create content and upload it to YouTube. For example, how to make an intro for a YouTube video, how to write scripts, how to record laptop screen, and many things. Video optimization and management is also included. Inside it, you will learn how to replace audio in a YouTube video, how to add a link in a video description, how to add a subscribe button on a YouTube video. You will also learn how to grow and manage your channel, technical and security settings, and integration and external sharing. To get access to all of this today for free and also these online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. Give me video title ideas for YouTube for this video. Now close this window. After installing this Google Chrome extension, every page or every watch page on YouTube will have this new tool. Just click on this little circle icon and the ChatGPT window will opens up automatically. Sometimes the prompt is not inserted here automatically. All you need to do is to click again on the same button and wait a moment. And just like that, ChatGPT will get the prompt from the Google Chrome extension. And this is how to write the best title for a YouTube video. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.